Viewers, if you are facing the problem in your iPhone that blank red dot is shown in your voicemail, I will tell you how to remove this voice red dot. Just need to follow all the steps I will tell you in this video. So let's start this video. First of all, what you need to do, open your Safari browser, and here you need to search down here how to remove, and there is a page of the official their support team, and I have find the solution of this problem. So what you need to do, I will tell you here. So if you are facing this problem, so what you need to do to fix this problem, I will tell you. Go to the setting, and in the setting you can see the option of notification and in the notification select the phone, and you need to turn off badge app button. The badge app button in the setting, you need to turn it off, and after you turn it off, the red dot should disappear from the phone icon. Check if the voicemail is working. Call yourself from another phone and leave a message, and call voicemail and delete your message. So this problem is arises when we turn on our badge app button option in our setting. So to fix this problem, we need to turn this feature off in our notification of your setting, and our problem will be solved by just one step. And after this you need to restart your device, and hope you like this video and subscribe our channel.